Marshes, estuaries, and lagoons play a vital role in nursing San Diego's animal population, improving water quality, regulating floods, and providing cultural services. Urbanization and invasive species have impacted many of these environments. It is important that we work together to care for and to restore these environments so we can protect our local ecosystems.
In San Diego, the use of wetlands for urban development over time caused wetlands like marshes to decrease by 90 to 95%. This can be seen with the remaining marshland in Kendall being bordered with urban development like apartments and RV resorts, giving little to no land for marshland. This causes adverse effects to ecosystems relying on wetlands. Another major problem in Kendall-Frost is invasive species. Seen in massive patches are invasive plants including slender ice plant, which is an invasive species that can survive the healthy conditions of the marshland, which causes it to take space and fight other native plants for the already small area of Kendall-Frost. And due to not having natural predators, it stays in place for significantly longer without disturbance, allowing it to spread more, causing it to take over space the native plants used to grow for itself.
Factories, there's more ports, there's more industry there, and there have been some pretty significant impacts. So even in the past, when we're thinking about filling in the bay for development, they were filling in marsh habitat and impacting those species. And if you look at San Francisco itself, the whole northern part of San Francisco and eastern part of San Francisco used to be wetland habitat, and it was all filled in to create the downtown of the city. So there's been a ton of impacts there.
The development of roads and freeways directly cross through the Buena Vista Lagoon, fragmenting the habitat. As a result of this habitat fragmentation, the animals living in the lagoon are separated from each other, or they are forced to risk their lives if they want to move to a different part of the environment. Salinity levels of the lagoon are also increased due to an increase in runoff because of the nearby roads, cars, and impervious surfaces. A solution for the habitat fragmentation would be to create habitat corridors between areas of the lagoon for the animals. A citizen could pursue this idea by creating a petition for a habitat corridor or bringing it up at a city council meeting.
Invasive species are also a problem in Buena Vista Lagoon, specifically the American bullfrog. The American bullfrog is an herbivore as a tadpole, eating native plants, causing native animals that rely on those plants to be shorter on food, since the natural balance of the food web is disturbed, limiting available resources for native species, which leads to starvation. The bullfrog also consumes other animals when mature, causing the animal population to drop, causing even more disturbances in the population. Since the bullfrog doesn't have any predators, it causes the ecosystem to become unbalanced without a way to go back, without ridding it entirely.
A crucial part in protecting local environments is community involvement. Residents can make an impact on their local environments, like Buena Vista Lagoon or Kendall-Frost Marsh, by participating in local cleanups, volunteering at the Buena Vista Nature Center, supporting petitions, and engaging in the environmental community.
These habitats are vital to keeping everything in San Diego safe and healthy, and it's important to conserve and restore our environment.